One truckers, it's a rough day today. You know, driver load with too much in ton of shell, broke the beam, it come down. So it goes still, it's a rough world. So right now we're up on the next truck. We take out the material same time on the front loader, but that's how it goes still. See next truck here forward. I'm going to tip off and forward back, Babes, we can't fix it while the load upon it, so we have to wait until it offload. So we are going to capture that, so to make sure it stay tuned to see everything. We'll go on and see how it will drive off and everything. So about 12 o'clock tonight, we have to catch it same way. YouTube, so today we receive a package also. We don't even know what in the box, so I go check what in there. I'm going to see what I'm going. But here we are saying now. I check on the machine and see what I'm going for it. Jaja. Wheel them camber, brother. Leave them broke. So you know what that go. Right now, we trust it, I'm going to see what I'm going. Try one still. As you can see, they are ground, bro. So the machine can't move off. See what I'm going? Yeah, man. So truckers and just try make sure always pre-check the machine them before they left out. You see, nobody not perfect, still things do happen, and things have happened for you to learn. But that's one of them days, Glad it happened that way, that's another with the machine. So one beer, may I drink still. Instead of drink and drive. But I go unbox it and see what going in there. What I don't even know, I forgot to check it out and see what in there. You see it? Probably it's a dash cam, who knows? Yeah, man, Shaquille, man. Peeps, all the time you see them type of picture when you start edit it and them thing there, but it's a real life something, This is not edit. So what going peeps? Jano. So recently somebody catch a video with on Kenworth. Somewhere nearby here, so we do with the axle run out and it broke axle. CM settings, Truckers, Jaja. Next truck again. CM settings, In a 2 day, Jaja, so it goes to. Rough still, man. Could wheel them camber, man. Jaja. They are gone. Yeah, go out. Yeah. Yeah. Stop the traffic there, stop the traffic. Stop the traffic. Go out with your car, man. Oh, man, some drop on your car. Start the traffic there, George. Start the traffic. Yeah, man. Yes, sir, the machine tip off and I walk off, you know. Yo, don't make him go down. But I was funny. So jump back to the street and truck. Bye. Why not? Okay, I can't wait to know boy.